Are you looking for a private resort near Metro Manila for your next family get-together? We recently stayed at Hidden Santuario Resort in Binyan, Laguna. Malapit lang siya from us kaya ito yung napili namin for our family bonding. Pagdating namin, nalaman pa namin from the caretaker na this resort is owned by Ronnie Alonte and Loisa Andalio. The main house is spacious with high ceilings, malaking glass windows, fully air-conditioned, and may fully equipped kitchen. They also like the long dining table. Perfect talaga for big families. Sa second floor, there are two queen-size beds in one open room. Okay naman yung CR, pero yung shower area medyo mabilis magbara during our stay. Outside, may dalawa pang rooms with their own bathrooms. Sayang lang, wala kaming naabotang toiletries sa isa sa mga rooms, kaya dapat magdala pa rin kayo. The pool is simple but okay na for swimming, especially sa hapon hanggang gabi. I also love the huge garden, plus pet-friendly pa sila. May billiard table, PS5 at malaking TV for karaoke kaya hindi kayo mauubusan ng activities. We spend the afternoon grilling liempo, chicken, and barbecue while enjoying quality time together. Overall, nag-enjoy naman talaga ang buong family namin. Sana lang mas ma-improve pa yung cleanliness ng property. But if you're looking for a nearby private resort for family gatherings, this is still worth checking out.